um, स्ट्रीम सही है। ओए, स्ट्रीम क्वालिटी सही है। हम्म, Hello everyone. So the first challenge was like, what is the challenge? Wait a minute. You have to analyze the files. We have two files. One is YSR packet and another one is image. And, and there are like seven people who solved already. So yeah. So first we analyze the YSR packets. So drag this to our terminal, this file. And here is our YSR, and we can see the TCP going on and destination and source. So let's see the destination IP. We have one IP that is common, that is 172.235.16.66. And from the packets, we can see there is a FTP connection going on. Like I can, as you can see, service ready for new user FTP here, file transfer protocol. And in this, we can see like anonymous user can log in. So first, let's copy the IP address, that is this one, and maybe try to ping it. So 172.235.16.66, and yeah, it is working. So Let me try at least logging in FTP anonymously, and boom, here we go. There is a directory called pub. Let's check if there is any hidden file. Okay, there is none. So let's go inside and check. Okay, maybe hidden file. Yeah, there is .flag.txt, one hidden file. Let's download that file. Okay, we downloaded. Now exit and can read that file here. Here we go. Our file is here. Let's go submit this one. One flag done. Okay, it says wrong. No worries. We shift to another. That is a image. Stake hide extract sf and drag our image file. And we know there is no password, so extracted our flag from the image, and we got the flag here. Let's try to submit that one. Boom, corrected. And I think we solved the next one also. That is the previous flag um, from the FTP. I think it was cat.flag.txt. Yeah, this one. Yep, correct. Okay, now like next is listen carefully. So in this we have to there is a hint you found an interesting port to listen on. So the hint says there is a port that sends data. So we all have to do is to listen to that port. And if we do nmap, I'm gonna save my time doing the exact port because I know which port is it. Because it's gonna take a long time. So right now it's closed. Give me a minute. I think server is closed by mistake. Yeah, sorry, my mistake. Yeah, let's try to do nmap again, and we can see the server is on. So first we have to do let's check if it's working on browser or not. 172.235.16.66 port 8000, and I think it's not working. So for listening, it's probably better to use netcat 172.235.16.66 and 8000 port number. And again, connection refused. One second. Okay, server got closed. My mistake. Let's try again. And we got base 64 something string here. So let's decode that string. We can go to a website called iCyberSafe and decode it here from 64. And yeah, we got one flag and some credential here. Or you can do on your terminal. Just echo that string and send it to base 64 decode. And here you go. And we have our flag and just copy that flag and paste that in. Listen carefully. That one got solved. And now we have one credential, PK and Uncharted. You might wondering log into FTP, let's try to log in FTP with those credential, PK. Yeah. So FTP is disabled. It is only for anonymous, so it's not gonna work. So we can try SSH. If you did Nmap, you can see there are three ports mainly open. No, four. That is FTP, SSH, and port 80 and 8000. So let's try to SSH. User, we got PK and our IP, and from the password that is uncharted, and we can log in inside. Okay, when we do the ls, we got one flag that is this one, and let's try to submit that one. Okay, correct. So now let's move to the next one, explore the home. Let's see what's here. It says just explore the home. I guess we have to do port 80. We have to explore that. Okay, there is something going on. Oh, where can I see comments? Mummy, where is the comment section? Okay, there are like five commands here. Let's try each one of them. Prepare.
You are not free. You are owned. Owned by your job. Owned by the 1% of the 1%. Owned by debt. We are a society. Between June 18th and 20th, we will take back over $100,000 and give it to you, live on Twitch, to delete the debt that holds you hostage. All you need is a code.
Okay, it's just a video, I guess. So let's try to see other commands. I'm gonna cut all the commands because I know already which command has the CT, I mean flag. So first let's check there is something in source code that is the important thing. So there is something called keep trying Niga. So I'm gonna leave that at as it is. So I'm gonna do a little directory burst here in the background. So we all gonna use that Go Buster. If I don't username discovery DNS file system web content. Oops, mistake. Okay. Damn, there is so many. Okay, I'm gonna use shortcut common.txt and threads 100. And let's try PHP, TXT, HTML, and let it run in the background. So here we try the other commands. I'm gonna skip these all commands. So I'm gonna just try directly go to the join command and just join and just ask for my email. I'm gonna put anything random and done. I didn't got flag. Okay, I think there is some issue. I need to do it in. Okay, I know what's the issue because there is some cache in my browser, the old cache. Let's check the directory burst. If we have found anything very interesting. And we found robots.txt, video folder, flat.txt. There we go. Okay, before that, we just go join. Here you will get the flag, but it will be erased and you can't copy from here. So you have to screen record or like a screenshot to do, and then write the flag. So I'm just gonna skip this one. We got the flag. We can't copy this one. We just have to screenshot and do that. So let's leave this one here, and I'm not gonna submit this one. So let's go move to the root meme challenge. Time to sign, time to rise. It's time to hack the mainframe. So only five people solved this. The Tulsi Das Khan, that is Abhishek and Garvit team. Second was the Coffee, that is Rahul, and Dark Phoenix, that is Harshal, and Black Cat Fury, that is Sarthak, and uh, his friend team, I don't remember, and the memory bytes. I forget 1 minute. That's Darshan or Rakesh. So let's solve this challenge. All we have to do is to hack the mainframe. I think from frame, I guess it's mean the main web page. So we already did the directory brute force here, and we found one that is called flag.txt. So just open that file. I think we're going to get here. We found another txt file. Okay, we got recrawled. Anyway, let's move on. So there is robots.txt. Okay. It also says flag.txt, same thing. I'm just going to ignore that one. So, okay, we can see there is a WordPress website on this server. So just log in the WordPress, that is WP admin page for that. And here we see a login page. Okay, let's try to enter any random admin as a password. We can get an error that is the username admin is not registered on this site. So we can like brute force. We can brute force like this. Hydra, WordPress brute force. I don't know the whole command. So I'm just gonna copy paste from the internet. Yeah, we found the command here. Like, and just copy this one. Okay, we did our server here. 172.235.166.66. And for password, I guess I'll keep something random because we have to find here username first. So we don't know our username, but I'll just keep password anything. Like admin, I will set admin as password because it's probably wrong. So we just have to first find the username. So we're gonna use our word list that is rockq.txt because I think that will give us the password. And here in argument, wait, I'm gonna change here something. Log user password and submit is equal to login and test book is one. Okay, here I have to change this thing, this parameter login and we got this user. I mean error is not registered on this site. I'm just gonna copy this and paste here and just run it. Uh, WP login requires three arguments separate by record which may not be okay. 1 second, guys. Uh, okay, my mistake. Test copy one session. I think it's gonna take a long from this. I'm gonna do shortcut one. That is Bubsuit. I think most of you already know how to use Bubsuit. So I'm gonna show you this method through Bubsuit. I think I have my worksheet here. I know some people gonna try random username that is found on the website. Like you can see the robot username here, and maybe some other username that is Mr. Robot, maybe PK, and maybe we can try that like PK and password anything random. PK is not. It's a robot and anything random. Okay, as you can see, there is a user, and we got the error different this time. The password you entered for the username robot is incorrect. So the robot username is correct, but the password is incorrect. So we can do this same thing with Websuit, but I'm gonna skip now because I don't want to waste my time. So yeah, let's open a browser here. Copy the. Okay, we already got the username, so we just wanna skip that and like password anything random here. Intercept the network and click on login. Here we got our login page. Let's zoom a little bit. I guess I don't think I can zoom right now. Hopefully you all can see the screen. Okay, I think I need to change number of settings. User interface, display, font size, 14 inches. Yeah, still not increased. Okay, sorry. Okay. Uh, we know our login that is robot and we don't know our password. We just click on the password and click add there and let's load our payload. You can use rocky.txt as the payload or maybe any custom word list. I don't think I have a word list on my Windows. So 1 minute guys, I'm gonna move a word list from my Linux to Windows. And if I'm allowed to do that, let's try once. Doc.txt, move it to desktop. Okay, there you go. And let's load web switch. Let's stop doc.txt. It's gonna take a long time. I think Bobsuit gonna crash because it's a big word list. I'm pretty sure it crashed already. Yeah, my Bobsuit crashed. I'm gonna load. So do we wait? Do you guys have any question till now? You can ask me now. Where can I see the chats? Minute. So do we wait? Do you guys? Uh, if you guys have any question till now, can ask me right now. I can read the chats right now. It's still not loaded. It's crashed. Probably. Let's close it. Close it, bro. Close. I'll leave it. Okay, we're gonna shift to this again. Not this one. Yes, this one. I'm gonna use this one again. That we copied from the internet. We know the username and our server. Let's replace that 162.125.16.66 and our password that is going to be rockq. And we know our username already. That is robot. But I'm gonna skip that. You can do L directly here and use a rocky.txt here, but that's gonna take a long time. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just directly go and input robot and just wait for the target. And we found the password instantly. That is I love you. And just like that, I love you guys all. But anyway, let's try to log in. I love you. And boom, here we go. We got inside, and I'm gonna save my time and just let's go directly to the comment section. We find the flag here, and we can. What the fuck is the flag? Hopefully, no one changed that flag. Okay. Yep. Correct. That's it for today, guys. If you guys have any question or anything, you can ask me directly right now, or you can WhatsApp me. So you guys play on your. Okay. Bye, bye, guys.